Motorcyclist killed in Mandeville by crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A motorcyclist died as a result of injuries he sustained in a crash on Caledona Road in Mandeville, Manchester on Friday night. The police named the deceased as Shamario Thomas, age 21, of a Comfort district in Manchester. A police report said that at around 11:20 p.m., Thomas was riding a motorcycle in the vicinity of Gulfview Drive when he attempted to overtake a motorcar which was turning right. He collided with the vehicle and was flung from the motorcycle upon impact. Thomas was taken to the nearby Mandeville Regional Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. The Mandeville police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.